People think it's just juice, but out here, it's liquid gold. Welcome to the Process Hub.
In the heart of the American Midwest, the journey of premium pumpkin juice begins at the break of dawn.
Only the ripest gourds are selected by hand, ensuring the highest sugar content and deepest color for the extraction process. Upon arrival, the raw produce is immediately offloaded into the intake system, capable of handling 40 tons per hour.
The multi-stage washing process removes field debris. High-pressure jets scour the skin without damaging the flesh inside.
Industrial slicers halve the pumpkins, exposing the seeds and fibrous cavity within.
The seeds are separated for roasting or oil production, ensuring zero waste in the manufacturing cycle. The ground flesh is transported via augers to the enzymatic treatment tanks, where the cellular structure will be broken down. Heat is applied to soften the fibers and release the pectin, preparing the mash for maximum juice extraction.
Natural enzymes are introduced to liquefy the heavy starch content, turning the solid mash into a pressable liquid.
The liquefied mash enters a pneumatic press. Air pressure gently squeezes the pulp against a perforated screen.
The remaining fiber, now devoid of liquid, is discharged and repurposed as high-grade animal feed. To refine the texture, a decanter centrifuge spins at 3,000 RPM, separating heavy sediments from the smooth juice. The result is a naturally cloudy, nutrient-dense nectar, ready for final formulation. Depending on the recipe, natural sweeteners or autumn spices like cinnamon and nutmeg are blended into the base juice. Flash pasteurization eliminates harmful bacteria while locking in the vitamin content and fresh pumpkin taste.
Technicians verify the Brix level, the measure of sugar content, to ensure every batch meets the strict sweetness standard.
Before filling, every glass bottle is inverted and air rinsed to remove any potential dust particles.
High-speed nozzles fill 300 bottles per minute, maintaining a precise volume variance of less than 1%.
The capper applies a vacuum seal, listening for the distinctive pop of safety upon opening. Laser coders etch the batch number and expiration date, guaranteeing traceability for every single unit.
Computer vision systems inspect every bottle at high speed. Any unit with a crooked cap or low fill is instantly rejected.
Dressed in its signature branding, the product is now ready for final packaging. Robotic case packers handle the glass with delicate precision, loading heavy cases tirelessly around the clock.
The sealed cases ascend to the palletizing deck, where the logistics phase begins.
From the fields to the warehouse, the process takes less than 24 hours, preserving maximum freshness.
Loaded onto refrigerated trucks, the juice is dispatched to retailers nationwide. A symbol of American agricultural innovation, delivering the taste of autumn all year around.